One of our biggest issues in our front yard is the driveway. It is on a slope, and when it rains, it drains into our carport and floods our car.
So we're standing right now. This pad is ready to go. All we have to do is add the pavers. The crew's about to start. These guys are incredible to watch them work. So how long is it going to take you? Give me a serious time estimate to lay all these pavers, the whole length of this driveway, all the way to the sidewalk.
45 minutes.
45 minutes? You guys can do that?
Yes, sir.
45 minutes?
Yes, sir. Ready.
I find that very hard to believe. In fact, I'm going to time you. Pan the camera. Look how far they have to go. 45 minutes, there's no way. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
On your mark, get set, go. These are craftsmen. I mean, look how fast they go. They have one speed and it is wide open. I'm blown away at how fast they're laying these bricks. 45 minutes, guys. Actually, 43 minutes. I better leave them alone. They probably work better.
These pavers may look easy to put in, but a lot goes into this permeable system.
Are you having to dig down deeper than a normal paver project?
Absolutely, yeah. A normal project, you probably go about 4 to 6 inches. Here, you're at about 8 to 10 inches.
And we took out a lot of dirt because we're adding a lot of aggregate.
Exactly.
So let's talk about aggregate.
This is obviously a bigger open-faced aggregate. It's a 57 stone that goes down first, so you want about 4 inches of that. It's rounded, there's no sharp angles, so when it's compacted together, it gives a chance for the water to get through the apertures.
See, even if you push it, you see all those grooves, and that's really what you want, right?
Exactly, yep, it helps the water get through. We have an 89 stone, which actually acts as the bedding stone for our permeable paver system.
Okay.
Same concept, just a little bit smaller.
Let's talk about these pavers.
On the surface, it looks like a regular paver, a 4x8 paver, but if you look at the sides, you have these big channels, these big spacer bars that create channels. You put them together, this is really where the magic happens.
So when these pavers come together, they create a joint.
Correct.
What's going to go in that joint?
So we go back to the 89 stone. Again, it's a smaller open-faced aggregate that'll fit right in those joints. It's a perfect match. It helps to tighten the structure of the pavers as well.
Oh my gosh, they're going to do it. And the rest has to be cut. I want to call that. Good job, guys. Woo, let's give it up for this paver crew. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Managing how water moves across your grass and your landscape and even your hardscapes is really important for managing and mitigating the impacts to our water bodies and groundwater. One home can even have a really large impact on the water quality that we have.